up, guys? Welcome to another video with those bros. And today we'll be driving the RV to the Bearizona Zoo. This should be exciting. Bearizona is a drive-thru zoo, so we'll be driving the RV through all the wild animals. First, your car has to pass the inspection, and then you can buy your tickets. On weekdays, kids are 20 and adults are 30. And on weekends, kids are 25 and adults are 35. Kids under 3 are free, and seniors are always 27.
And our first friend is the Rocky Mountain Goat.
And also check out our other videos because we also stayed at KOA Campground, which is 5 minutes away from here.
And also 40 minutes away from here, we filmed a video of the beautiful Grand Canyon. The Rocky Mountain Goat can jump 12 feet in one leap. Their white coat has a double layer that sheds in the summer. There are approximately 100,000 goats in North America. Our next friend is a reindeer, you know, from Santa Claus.
3 fun facts about this animal are: this kind of reindeer, both male and female, grow antlers. These are the only deer species that grow full hair on their nose. Antlers fall off and grow larger each year.
Our next one is the burro.
Burros are highly intelligent and stand their ground. They forage and gaze throughout their day. Now we're going deeper into the wild and we're passing the tundra wolves. Fun facts about the wolf are that the common food are hoofed animals like deer, moose, caribou, elk, bison, musk oxen. Now we're passing through the area where the junior black bears are.
The bears were getting too close to the cars because they were hungry. So the park ranger in the gray truck had to guide them out with some food. Well, most of the bears are sleeping right now, but they are fast runners. And as you can see, they're not always black.
Now we are passing by the white bisons. A white bison is an American bison possessing white fur and is considered sacred to several Native Americans. They are normally brown, but one of the reasons that they have white fur are for genetic reasons. Up next, the American bison. Jose, can you see? The bisons are free.
Bro, they're in the zoo, so they're not really that free.
I know, but you guys know what I mean, right?
The American bison is the largest land animal in North America.
Up next is the bighorn sheep.
Try to find them, guys, because they're blending in with the rocks. Bighorn females are called ewes, but males are called rams. Horn size is a symbol of rank. Bighorns are known for head-to-head combat.
And remember, if you want to help us making more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to help us out. And for the drive-thru grand finale, drum rolls please, we have the big bears.
Hold on, guys, here they come. Bears only socialize during mating season. I'm telling you guys, these bears are walking slow, but when they run, they are very fast. And this is the life, taking a nice nap. Bears normally hibernate.
It was a really, really hot day, so this guy had the right idea.
Bears are skilled swimmers. And this is our bear leader. He was leading us out.
This is the end of the Bearizona drive-thru zoo. Bearizona also has a walk-in zoo, so let's go. And remember, if you're liking this video, you know how YouTube works. Make sure to subscribe, like, and tell us in the comments when you have subscribed.
Our first stop at the walking zoo is with the beavers.
3 fun facts about the beavers are that their 2 front teeth are actually orange. A beaver's oversized tail can grow up to 15 feet long and can be used for land and in the water. When in the water, nose and ear valves shuts to keep out water while submerging to adapt to their semi-aquatic life.
And our next animal friend is the porcupines. This guy was not having it today. He was just sleeping.
Next up are the bears, but they look like they have been having some relationship problems lately. Looks like those 2 females were having issues, all having to deal with the stud looking in the rocks.
Hey guys, tell us in the comments, what do you think this fight was all about? And here's our friend Javelina. Javelina has a scent gland on the top of their rump that is covered by hair. They will rub their scent on rocks and tree stumps to mark their territory.
Next up are the bobcats. They don't look very friendly to me on the way they are looking to us. The bobcat is commonly known in North America. They are found in a variety of habitats including forests, semi-deserts, and mountains.
While we were watching the bobcats, a staff member came to feed the bear.
That's one way to stop a bear fight. Just give them food and they'll forget all about it.
Hey bro, that's what mom does when we discuss.
It does work. Bearizona also has some cool caves to go into. In the caves, there are more animal species to check out.
Now, let's meet Francis. This guy is so cute. Even though it has a white coat, it's still a part of the red foxes. They are offsprings of red and silver foxes. They were purposefully bred by humans. Look at this guy. He's so cute also. Bye-bye, Mr. Fox.
Now it's time to go into the mine shaft. Come on in. This animal is an Arizona tiger salamander. Here are 3 interesting facts about it.
In the next space, we have the common Chuckwalla. And on this side, there's a beautiful white peacock. Here we have some funny, wisecracking meerkats. These guys are hilarious. You may know this guy also as Timon in The Lion King.
Meerkats are immune to venom, which means that they can fight and eat some venomous animals.
Wait, did this guy just go over there to smell the other guy's butt? Ew! And I don't think the other guy thought it was funny.
Meerkats do not need water to survive. They are also highly intelligent. They get moisture they need from insects and grubs. Meerkats can live up to 8 years in the wild and 12 to 14 years in captivity.
These are some really funny guys.
I think these guys could be secret spies because they have all the attitude.
Now it's time to see the jaguar. Here are some fun facts about him. These guys are normally in Central and South America. We actually have another video when we went to Tikal, Guatemala, and Central America. And in Tikal, there is a pyramid named after this guy. And the pyramid is named Gran Jaguar, meaning Grand Jaguar.
It's another great video. Check it out at the end of this video.
These guys are great swimmers and they eat almost everything, so make sure you stay out of their way. Some of them are spotty and some of them are black, but they're always big in size. They are the biggest from the cat family. Cool, this guy is coming to say hi to everyone. These are some cool looking cats. he got shy for a second.
Bro, or maybe he was just deciding which one of us looked more delicious.
This jaguar was very playful and seemed like he liked the attention. He was playing Eat My Finger. And finally, the other cat decided to have some fun and socialize a little bit.
Now it is time to take some selfies with the jaguar.
And this guy was all up for it. Such a nice guy. Luckily, we are on time to see the condor training.
The California condor is the largest flying bird in North America. Condors were sacred birds to Native Americans. They can fly up to 100 miles without stopping.
These kids were having a blast with the condor.
Hey. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? It's called a hooded vulture. And being a hooded vulture, you can...
Last but not least, the banded California snake. This snake is not venomous, but hear what she says because there's a snake like this one that is.
We do have a Burmese python on display in the gift shop, but I think that's about it for snakes.
Right.
The king snake, actually, their pattern mimics a coral snake, which helps protect them. Does anyone know how to tell the difference?
No.
So if the, there's a saying, I always forget how it goes, but if the red is touching the yellow, then that's a coral snake. And as you can see on Xena here, there's black in between the red and the yellow, or she's more white than
More
yellow.
white, yeah.
Yeah. Coral snakes also have very thick red and yellow bands with super thin black bands in between. And as you can see, all hers are about the same, so a slightly different pattern as well.
All right.
But yeah, it protects.
So if the
her
red
from
touching the yellow is venom. Is that
yeah,
venom?
coral snake.
But before you leave, make sure you check out the gift shops. There's one at the entrance and one at the end.
And remember, if you want to help us making more videos like this, make sure to subscribe in the little red box in the bottom right corner to help us out. It only takes a second.
And if you subscribe, leave us a comment saying you subscribe.
Bearizona is a place full of adventure. Link in the description if you want to go. Make sure to check out the Bearizona Grill. Lots of yummy food there. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe to help us out. And don't forget to check out our other videos.
Those Bros, we out.